Welcome back to the channel, guys. So, in today's video lecture, we are going to cover database SQL basics. That is the premium room of the TryHackme. Okay. So, without wasting any time, let's directly get started to it. So, it's a very basic room. If you guys have a basic idea of SQL, that's well and good. You guys can easily might not need my help to solve this or complete this. So if you do not have any basic prior knowledge about SQL language, so what I ask everyone of you is don't panic first of all. If you guys can, if you guys go to the theory that is given in the room itself, you guys can easily complete the room easily. But I'm assuming that you guys have a bit prior knowledge about it and all. So I will just directly. They have given a very beautiful description. So I recommend every one of you to go through it. I'm just directly going to sort the questions. So firstly, I recommend to go through the theory and all, but then come with me to solve these problems together because we are together in this journey. Okay. So our question is inside databases, what is the term for the spreadsheet that store the information at stable? And yes, that's the right answer. Let's move to our next part. So we have to set up our virtual environment. Let me start my machine. Okay, you guys can yours also because sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes. In my case, it happens sometimes. My internet is a bit slow. Okay. So they have explained about the queries and all. Queries are basically the commands that we use to manipulate the SQL language. Okay, actually SQL is a language that is majorly used for databases. Okay, so with the help of that we manipulate the database. You must have heard about SQL injection. Okay, let's read it. So let me just firstly just go through the questions. So because it's taking a bit time. Okay. So, first question is that when you showed all orders, how many rows were written? So, in first question, what we have to do is that we have to show all orders. We will use a command to get the whole order. So, what we will do that we will view everything in a table. So we what we will use this query. We are going to select start from orders and we will use this. Okay. Yeah. So we have our site has been launched. So first question was when you showed all orders, how many? So let's run our query. Browsing, it's browsing is taking that time. Okay. Don't worry. It has returned 50 rows. So it was asking how many rows were returned. Let me have 50. And yes, that's the right answer. So uh, next question is when you sorted orders that price from cheapest to most expensive, which drink appears first? So let's order by. Yeah, let's take the. We have to take. Yeah, that's it. We have to sort results because we have to sort them based on the price and we have to give the most expensive one. So let me just use this command. Okay, where is it? Okay, so it's okay, but what happens is that by default it firstly shows the lowest. Okay, which means that by default, if you have not given anything description, so by default, what happens is that it will on the top it will arrange them in the ascending order. But what do we want? Okay, so from cheapest to most expensive, yeah, we all guys also want the same thing. So let's just run the query. Okay, because we also want the same most cheapest. So which drink appears first? That is the tea, because it's 1.8. Okay, let's. put it here. P. Yeah, and that's the right answer, guys. Well done. So we have completed our room this far. So as you guys can see, it's not cyber security is not that much difficult. What requires is that it's a passion for it. Okay, you need to dedicate your time for it. You need to love it. And I highly recommend just don't come into cyber if if they are saying yeah cyber security is in boom, you have so many jobs. Just follow your passion, do whatever you want. Because if you don't love it, you guys might face some difficulties. Okay. So let's move to our next question. So when you sorted the menu by price from most expensive to cheapest, which drink appear first? So we have to reverse it. Okay. So what we will do by default is ascending. So what I'm gonna do DESC. It will give a order in. So yes, that's a latte. Okay, and yeah, that's the right answer. As well as because if you will not give anything here, any command, any keyword here, it will order by default in ascending order. If you guys can give DESC, DESC, it will sort it in descending order. And if you want it to be back in ascending, you can also give ASC. It it do means ascending order. If you will not give it, okay, it's by default set to ascending order. Okay. So guys, with this we have completed our round. So I highly recommend every one of you to go through SQL language. It's very important in cybersecurity. Okay. It will help you in further topics for SQL injection and all because you need knowledge to perform warming everything else. So with this, guys, we have completed another room, another lecture of database SQL basics. So if you guys have any other queries related to cybersecurity, you guys feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I will try my best as fast as soon as can I solve your queries and help you guys. Because always remember, in this, we guys are together in this journey. So with this, thank you for watching my videos and please do like, subscribe and share the videos. Thank you.